Okay, now I think we went live. Well, not live, but recording at least. XSplit was waiting for quite a long time before it actually came on, started recording. Okay, so we're coming from the Maker's Corner again. Some small updates. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, I'm trying to test scenes and I'm using XSplit Broadcaster. So what I'm doing is I'm setting up like a full picture and then the picture with the web camera in the corner. And let's see how that works. So I can switch between the two. Man, it's been hot today. It went over 20 Celsius centigrade today, which is quite warm for the fall. Pack the grill today. Yeah, that was a good thing to do. Better take advantage of the warm weather while it lasts. I'll probably turn to crap soon. Then I've been trying to do this Lego Man project, and that hasn't been going so well. The mid piece doesn't work on my printer very well. Let's see if I can bring up that view here and then there. Great. So now we can actually see. So this is what I use to printer it. Pronter face. Well, that doesn't matter. It's the picture that mainly with the supports. I mean, this shouldn't be impossible to print. But then I'm getting with the black material PLA I have, I'm getting this like total jumbled mess. It's not good at all. And I've tried several different tricks to get it to work. I've tried temperature, speed, layer heights. So now I've given up. I think it's the cheap PLA I'm using because I bought this. I bought it from China and it's unmarked. So I don't know. It spits a bit when it's printing, so I'm thinking it could be that it's humidity, possibly, and that's ruined it, or maybe it's a very, very bad blending of the PLA, because you need to take the base plastic and then you need to put pigments in. So maybe it's just it's the last bit of the reel. So anyway, whatever. I'm ordered quality PLA now. I will see if I can actually fix this. Yeah. So anyway, don't want more crappy prints. That'll be awful. Ah, my son calling in the background. If anybody heard. What else is there been going on? Yeah, we can do some unboxing. Unboxing is always fun. Let's see now. I'm going to unbox some of the most boring stuff in the world, but they're cheap. Got a whole pile of new power banks. Wait, let's see if I can switch to the other scene. Yeah. I don't know. I'm not sponsored for this stuff. This is just stuff that we get locally. This is like $5, €5 a piece. It says that it's 4,000 milliamp hour, but yeah, we'll see. It doesn't really matter. We don't have high requirements on this kind of stuff anymore. Should actually, yeah. Maybe we should do the unboxing first. Let's see. Maybe I should actually leave this until later. This is actually nobody's interested in this anyway. I don't need this unbox. Don't put them on the shelf. See if anybody uses them. We use up a lot of these power banks, I can tell you. Oh. Wait, I just got to... Yeah, in our country we sort everything. So plastics go separate. Cardboard goes separate. Paper goes separate. So, trying to look after the environment as best you can. And it makes it a bit of a pain in the packaging. It's a bit of a problem divided to its constituent parts. But I'll try and do it anyway. So that's that one. Another one. It's blue. Yeah. Need different colors. Mainly for the kids because then they can say which one's theirs, even if it doesn't matter. Oh, it comes with the USB cable. Usually I just throw them away. I've got thousands of them. So, that's the blue one. Actually, I bought them because they're quite a nice color. And for $5 each, who cares? So, plastic separated. See, and then this you have to tear apart. You have to get the plastic cover apart. That didn't go so well. No. This unboxing's not going very well. So anyway, you end up with this. That gets sorted. Plastic goes into another area. So throw that oils. And then, this is for me. Now, don't tell my wife. Yeah, see? Take a look at that size. And it's heavy also. Wow. Comes in a nice package. I will set up a better camera to cover what I'm working on. And that's actually my next subject because I have that GoPro. But I'm still learning to live with it. I'm still not totally happy how one can extract video out of it. I would like to bring it directly to the computer. And I don't want to play around with the memory card, and I don't want to have to plug it into the USB port every time. Because the Wi-Fi support it has is a bit odd, because the Wi-Fi support is that it basically creates its own Wi-Fi network. And then you can connect your phone to it through that created Wi-Fi network. Well, I would like to be able to connect it to my own Wi-Fi. Whoa, this is cool. I don't know if this brand is any good. Okay, so I just buy this stuff. So I'm not sort of promoting this brand, or I don't get paid to show it either. But I must say, at least I go by weight. I mean, why would they put anything else but battery in it? I mean, even if you put lead in it, it's more expensive than faking it, if you're going to fake it. So at least I think if a power bank weighs stuff, and I've actually taken some of the more cheaper ones apart, and in some of the cheaper ones they make the container, the package bigger, and then when you open it, then it's like the battery takes like half the space. So you know that they've been screwing it. Throw away paper and stuff. Another USB cable. Wow. Now that must have been an expensive box to create. Look at that. That's thick. Man. And it wasn't that expensive. This was $40. Like 40 euros. Peter to throw it away. I think I'm actually going to keep that. Wow. Don't tell me it's got a magnet on it. Hell, it's got 2 magnets. Ah, come on, guys. Give me the discount instead. Oh, that's just crazy. Never seen that before. Well, no, I must say, yeah, weigh it. Always when you buy power banks, check the weight. If it feels like it's illogically, like, doesn't weigh anything, then don't buy it. Because it probably doesn't have anything in it. But, you know, this is heavy. Cool. 4 ports. And a display. More plastics, have to separate. That's the way it works. Yeah. GoPro Hero. I actually have it already installed on the pedestal here. But I still am a little bit unhappy because I would like to connect this camera directly to my own Wi-Fi network and pick up the files directly from here with my computer through the Wi-Fi. And I can't seem to do that. I could connect through an HDMI output here into a encoder card USB adapter, which I actually have. I actually don't think I've made a video of that yet. I have to post that on upgrades because I actually have one. Yeah, I'll do that next. So GoPro, yeah, we have things to learn about you. Also, it seems to be geared to those that know a little bit more about photography or video taking. So it has some settings that I don't really understand because I'm kind of an amateur on this stuff. Yeah. Well, we'll leave that for another day. So, oh yeah, I actually had a white one, but that my son opened. Now it's on charge. So I have to actually put all this on charge. We have charging stations with about 10 USB outputs on it. So that'll take care of that. I think that's enough for this short update. I'm gonna just go through the video, check the audio got picked up in all circumstances. Then I can upload it. Okay, see everybody later.